I am very excited to be here today to launch audio guidance capability at our ABMs across 40 different locations in the island. This has been a long journey. Back in 2020, we would have started with the investment in putting braille at all of our ABMs to ensure inclusivity for our visually impaired and blind community.
This allows us to move away from being on the road and asking persons to help us. You know, you're asking somebody, a total stranger, to assist you. You're exposing yourself to all kinds of risks. And with NCB bringing the audio guidance to reality, it allows us now to become totally independent and lessens the risk that we are exposed to when it is not around.
We want to endorse this. We want to encourage other institutions to follow. And this is directly aligned to our objectives of protecting and promoting the rights of persons with disabilities. As a government, we want to have much more of this across the country, not just with institutions that are banks, but all areas across the private sector. We want to encourage you to use innovation, integrate it into your operations to expand accessibility for those who are part of our family, who are just asking us to remove the barriers so they can unlock their potential.
One bank has raised the standard to a point where others will now have no choice but to do likewise.
This is just another step in our journey. One of the things that we also would have done is enabled audio guidance as well on our mobile app. So now visually impaired members can not just utilize the ABMs, they can use the mobile app as well. It's an important part of our commitment to accessibility for all Jamaicans to access their financials and their money securely and safely.
This is what we want. This is a new Jamaica, and the Jamaica that we all want to see. One love.